Welcome back to Goya's Kitchen. On the menu today we got some beef and cheese empanadas, so let's get to it. So you want to heat up your oil in a skillet, get in your diced onions, get your ground beef and sprinkle on some paprika, some salt, and some black pepper. Next get in some oregano and some garlic powder. Sprinkle in some thyme and some garlic paste or some minced garlic, and don't forget your onion powder. Now this is the main ingredient, gotta have tomato sauce. Mix that up and get your pre-made empanada dough. Get your beef and cheese into it. You want to wet the edges with some water. Next, just fold that thing up and get a fork to seal the edges. And next, we're going to throw it in the oven on 375 for about 15-20 minutes till it's nice and golden. Halfway through, you want to brush some butter on top and throw it back in to finish it out. And there you have it. Some beef and cheese empanadas. Quick and easy, I promise you. And thank you for coming to Goya's Kitchen.